Hello friends, this is Kamlesh from GearUpWindows YouTube channel, and in this video you will learn how to reset forgotten Windows 10 user account passwords. So as you can see on the screen, I am trying to log in into my account, and you can see I have no success without password. And if I put the password, then I can log in into my account. So I assume you I have forget my password and I want to reset it. For that, you need to download one freeware tool that is known as Recover My Password. I show you how to download it. Actually, I have already downloaded it on my PC, but I will show you the steps how to download and create a bootable media to reset your Windows 10 passwords. For that, you need to navigate to this link that you can find on this video description, and after that click on this one free download now button. Then scroll down to the bottom, and here you will see download Let's Soft Recover My Password, and you need to download this one home license. This is free. Just you need to download it and install it on your PC. As I have told already that I have already installed in my PC, so I will guide you with the next steps how to create a bootable CD, DVD, ISO, or a bootable USB disk. So first you need to launch this software. After installing it, let's soft recover my password. If user account prompts, then click on the yes. Then click on this one burn bootable CD slash USB disk now option, and here click on this one drop down menu and select Windows 10 32-bit or 64-bit according to your PC. If you don't know how to check if your PC uses Windows 10 32-bit or 64-bit, then you need to right click on this one start button, and here you can select settings. Then click on this one option system. On the left side scroll down to the bottom and click on about. Here you can see beside the system type your PC is 64-bit or 32-bit. If it is here, you will see 64-bit. That means your Windows 10 machine uses 64-bit OS, and if you see x86 or 32-bit, that means your PC uses 32-bit operating system. So let me proceed with next step. You need to select here accordingly. For my example, my PC uses Windows 10 64-bit, so I have selected here Windows 10 64-bit. Then you need to click on this one next button. Then you can here select CD or DVD option, USB flash drive, or ISO image. For my example, I will boot from ISO image to my Windows 10 PC and try to break the password of my account. So I have selected this one ISO image, and after that you need to click on the start button. This will take a few minutes to burn to make a bootable media. Once bootable media is ready, then you need to restart your PC and change the boot option under your BIOS, under your PC BIOS. So I have already inserted my ISO disk to this one machine, and I am going to restart and boot from this one recover my password bootable media. So as soon as you will restart your PC with recover my password bootable disk, you will see on the screen boot. Press any key to boot from CD or DVD. If you will miss, then it will log in to your PC normally, so you have to again restart your PC. In my case, I have missed it, so I will restart my PC and again I will put from recover my password bootable media. As soon you will see on the screen press any key to boot from CD. You need to press any key or number from the keyboard except ESC escape key. After that, select first one option and then press enter on the keyboard. This will start booting to your PC with inserted bootable media, and you will see something like this. Here you need to click on the next button, then press yes, then press next. Here select an administrator account that you want to reset password. For my example, I am going to reset password of administrator account, so I have selected this one administrator account. Click on the next, then you need to click on the reset/unlock this one button. As you can see on the screen, the password reset successfully. That means my administrator account password is now blank. There is nothing in the password. And finally, you need to click on this one finish button. After that, click on this start orb and here select restart computer. Click OK. This will restart your computer without any. This will restart your PC and without any password you can log in to your PC. I will show you. The password has been successfully resetted for my administrator account. So I will select here administrator and you can see without any password I am able to log in my PC. Once you log in into PC, I will recommend you set a password for your administrator account and other user accounts also, so that no one can gain access to your PC without password. For that you can use one of the command that I will paste in this video description. You will see something like this on the screen. Click on yes or no according to your needs and accept the terms and conditions. And you can see I have logged into my PC without any password, without using any password. But however, I need to set one password for my account. For that, you need to press Windows plus R key on the keyboard and here type netplwiz and press enter or OK on the keyboard to open user accounts window. And here I need to select this one administrator account, but it is not allowing, so switch to the this one advanced option and here click on the advanced button and double click on this one users, then right click on the user account that you want to set your password and select set password option. Click on the proceed button, then type a strong password here and confirm with the same password. Then click on the OK button, click OK, and now you need to enter password to log in into your account. I will show you, just wait a few seconds, and you can see here I am trying to log in into administrator account but it's not allowing, so I need to put here password, and you can see I have got success in removing or resetting administrator account password on my Windows 10 machine. Thank you for watching this video. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel GearUp Windows, do hurry up. A lot of tutorials are awaiting for you. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.